The digital age has transformed journalism in profound and complex ways. Where once newspapers, magazines, radio, and television were the primary sources of news, today information flows instantly across websites, social media platforms, podcasts, and streaming services. This rapid evolution has brought both opportunities and challenges for journalists and audiences alike. One of the most significant changes is the speed at which news is reported and consumed. Digital platforms enable real-time updates, allowing stories to break and develop in minutes rather than hours or days. This immediacy keeps audiences informed but also places pressure on journalists to report quickly, sometimes at the expense of thorough verification. The race to be first can occasionally lead to the spread of misinformation or incomplete narratives. Another key aspect of digital journalism is the democratization of content creation. With smartphones and social media, anyone can share news, photos, or videos from the scene of an event. While this broadens the range of voices and perspectives, it also blurs the line between professional journalism and user-generated content. Fact-checking, editorial standards, and ethical guidelines become even more critical in this environment. Digital tools have expanded storytelling possibilities. Interactive graphics, data visualizations, and multimedia features can make complex issues more accessible and engaging. Journalists can reach global audiences, foster dialogue through comments and social sharing, and use analytics to better understand what readers care about. However, the digital age has also disrupted traditional business models. Advertising revenue has shifted away from print publications to online platforms, leading many news organizations to experiment with paywalls, subscriptions, and alternative funding. This economic pressure can affect newsroom resources, staff sizes, and the ability to pursue in-depth investigative reporting. Trust remains a central concern. The proliferation of fake news, deepfakes, and algorithm-driven echo chambers has made it harder for audiences to distinguish credible journalism from misinformation. News organizations are responding by emphasizing transparency, fact-checking, and accountability. Despite these challenges, the core mission of journalism, to inform, investigate, and hold power to account, remains unchanged. In the digital age, journalists must adapt to new tools and platforms while upholding the highest standards of accuracy, fairness, and integrity. The future of journalism will depend on the ability to innovate while remaining steadfast in its essential purpose: